GSN Group. The Blue Blood Revolution is coming to India to unleash racing speed engine oil for bikes and scooters. Unmatched performance, high speed, instant pickup, ultimate power and strength, which will make your bike roar like a beast. Powered by cutting-edge European and Japanese technology. Experience the power. Feel the revolution. Coming soon to India by GSN Group. Pre-booking now open.